In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Canon camera to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on any model of Canon camera that you have. This will give you access to plenty of different functions, including the options to wirelessly connect it to a laptop, a PC, or your phone. So first, I'm going to cover how to set up Wi-Fi. Keep in mind that if your main goal is indeed to connect it to a phone, then you will need to download the Canon Camera Connect application, but you can do this later. If you just want to set up Wi-Fi, then you won't need this. So to set up Wi-Fi, go over to the camera's settings. So on the camera itself, use the screen and access these settings, and on these pages, look for wireless communication settings. So you have to look for something related to Wi-Fi. Usually on most models, it is going to be labeled like so, wireless communication settings. Choose this option, and finally, you will see Wi-Fi available here. So if this is set to disabled, then just select it, and you will be able to choose between various different options, including Wi-Fi only. So if you don't want to use NFC as well, Wi-Fi only should suffice. With this done, you can now give it a nickname if you would like to make it easier to identify while connected to other devices, and you can send images to a smartphone. Essentially, this is all you have to do to enable Wi-Fi. To actually use the features, go to Wi-Fi function, and now you will see the main ways to use it. I believe that most people will want to use it in conjunction with a smartphone. However, if you want to connect it to a PC or laptop, you can also do it here. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on how to connect it to a smartphone, but you can explore these other options at your own will. If you choose smartphone, then they are going to offer to set it up through easy connection, which I recommend, and now it is going to create a Wi-Fi network. So the camera will create this Wi-Fi network for you. What you have to do is connect to this Wi-Fi network on the mobile device. So you browse through all of the networks, you choose the network that you see available here, and if needed, you input the password as described on the camera screen. So this one, for example, 500111584. Once you are connected to this network, you can open the Camera Connect app that I mentioned earlier, available for iOS and Android, and you will get a prompt to connect to your camera. Just choose it from the list, and as long as you set up the Wi-Fi network properly, it will remain connected. Of course, this is optional. This is only if you want to connect it to your phone. If your main goal was just to set up Wi-Fi, then this will suffice, and you will be able to use the Wi-Fi function in conjunction with any other device that you see available here besides your smartphone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a Canon camera to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.